we are all here today. Let us welcome Attorney Hernando Cabrera.
Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here with the PNB President Ramon Sosada, DSC Chairman Patrick Gregorio, LRTA Deputy Administrator Paul Chua, other managers of LRTA. I would like also to welcome officials of PNBF, media partners, and the members of the Alas Pilipinas team. I would like to thank you, give thanks to everyone for joining us today for the launch of our partnership campaign with PNBF for the 2025 FIB Volleyball Men's World Championship. When PNBF invited us to be part of this historic event, we were so excited again because I think this is the second time that we have partnered with them for this kind of activity. And as usual, we did not hesitate to partner with them. Starting today, you will see some promotional materials for the tournament inside and outside our LRA trains. We have specifically designated one train. Ginawa natin ng advertising material, nagkaroon tayo ng train route. And then if you go inside the train, you will see some other promotional materials. This is one of a kind. This is not the first time, but actually, we only do this on very, very special occasion. In buong tren, outside and inside, nilalagyan natin ng advertising material. So, ayaw ko nang pahabain yung aking message. But again, thank you for coming and thank you PNBF for partnering with us. Maraming salamat.